Hi, this is John with WTI. And right here with me, I got my Loyd Plum and Cinnamon tea bags. So one of the things that I like the most already is like plum obviously already is one of my favorite fruits, but I used to do it for juice or shakes. But when I tried this, I was a bit like, how is it gonna taste in the tea? And I like cinnamon too. But what I've done too is that I'm using infusions. Like I have a big water jug that I put a couple of this tea bags and hot water in there. It is gonna make like an infusion for a long time, and it actually tastes pretty good. So during the day, it's not just like I'm having just a normal cup of tea. It's like I'm having a constant infusion for the water that I'm gonna be drinking around the day, and it's making it a little bit funnier, you know. So this great taste, good. I recently got a little bit sick, so this was the tea that I was doing on for the whole moment. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.